Hello, I'm Hiko. I'm currently working on this BMW. I am customizing an R1100 RS. This time I will remove the tire, fork, and handlebars and do some processing. Please take a look at the work scene for a while. I want to remove the front tire, so I put a bag of gravel on the seat to lift the tire. The sensor I am removing now is the ABS sensor. It needs about 0.5 millimeters of clearance, so a spacer was stuck in it. It is difficult to explain how to remove the brake caliper, but it requires some ingenuity like a puzzle, and I recommend protecting the wheel to prevent scratches. This part has a strong Loctite on it, so I will heat it with a heat gun before removing it. I cleaned the lock teat on the bolts with a dye. I will also clean the caliper. I painted it briefly. When I removed the tire, it was supported only by the center stand and the jack attached to the rear, but the gravel is effective, so it is quite fine. It is so stable that it may be fine even if a typhoon comes, but if you imitate this, please do so at your own risk. I will replace the rubber parts of the fork. The seal inside is quite hard. It was scratched and I couldn't remove it. I wanted to avoid that, so I quickly bought a special tool. The R1100 RS requires a forward-leaning position, which is difficult for an old man like me. So I decided to use the handlebars of the R1100R, which can be ridden upright in the same series. However, you need to drill a hole in the top bridge to pass the bolt through. There is only one place where the nut and fork interfere, so I drilled a screw hole with a tap. It's a tedious job, but it has the advantage of being able to easily install an existing grip heater. Basically, you can buy parts for this bike cheaply on Yahoo auctions. After that, check the position and drill other parts. The back looks like this, and I plan to flatten it with putty that can be used on metal and secure it between iron plates when installing. Finally, one more thing. The tubes of the R1100 RS seem to interfere with the handlebars of the R1100R, so I dealt with this by widening the holes in the handlebars a little. Next time, I will paint these and install them. From now on, it will be a shiny and cool bike. So if you like, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So, please look forward to the next time.